Sow your seeds. Good. One seed each.
It's so tight.
It's okay.
It's okay, don't worry, we get you some more. Oh, let's get
Let me see. Let me see. What's that? Pepper seed. Chili seed.
What kind of chicken?
Our after I got picture. As you go growing, look how our garden is doing really well. I'm hoping you all join us. We can put things on the wall as well, so we'll have more active. So these kids have done these children well done. Everybody planted. We're gonna check and see when it's growing soon, and we'll see whose is the biggest. Not a competition. Do you want to leave with us? Yes. She might stand out here.
Has a big one.